So hi, so today is the day 3 and I'm just finished for more than the fabric for the step 1, and then going to the next step is for the step 2. But here I would like to prepare the leaves first before continue to more than for the next step. Okay, it's finished. Actually, there is so many plants we can use for Ecoprint like this. This one called pilosa. This one really nice for print. The color is strong, so I would like to use this. And this one is the white flower or white plants. So yeah, it's okay. And I just take I think this one is enough for the tutorial for today. Okay, let's go. There, look that. So many pilosa in here. So this is Africa leaf. This one is also nice for print. If you using like silk, this Africa will the color will be like lime color, and I like it. So here I have a chalk bevel. This is for the second step for the Mordan process. Now I would like to mix with the water in here. I don't know actually, but people call this one chalk bevel, lime bevel, or I would like to put the detail on the description. So now I would like to mix it with water. This one the plain water, just the plain water. And then mix it. So here the fabric that we Mordan for the first step before. Now I'm going to dip to the next step with the lime bevel. Here, just squeeze and wait. Everything is absorbed well. Look, the color turns a bit green because of the tunjung. It's a bit green right now because of the tunjung, but it's okay. Mix this one and then squeeze and get ready for the bundles Ecoprint. Okay, so here the fabric that we scoring then more than process. Now I'm going to bundles Ecoprint the fabric. So usually I open like this and then fold like this into half. Fold it into half and then you just put on the plastic and then find the middle of the fold like here and then open it again. So we'd like to mirroring the pattern. So after we arrange the flower in here and then we fold again the fabric, so the plant will absorb to the fabric up and down like that. And we need just a little of plants, but the pattern will be affect to the other side like that. So I would like to put the big leaf first. Actually this one is whatever you want. You can arrange the leaves everywhere, but I like the most is leaf like this. It's the perfect of imperfection leaves because you see the hole that will become a pattern on the fabric. So actually the back of the leaves, if this is produce a strong color on the fabric. So when you made like this, like a mirroring technique, you need to put the leaf back and up. Here, this one, the back on the fabric, and then this one, the top on the fabric. So make it like that. Here another leaves also, but you can explore the leaves. You can try maybe new leaves, but the point is the tannin should be strong, so the color will be strong also. And I would like to put this one also. Jajan! Now I'm finished to arrange the leaves. Now I'm going to close or fold the fabric here like this, slowly but sure. Okay, and after that we press the fabric, press, and ready for the covering the fabric with another plastic on the top. Okay, prepare first. Here I would like to fix the size first. Okay, so we would like to cover the fabric with plastic like this. I think it's too small, but it's okay. And roll the fabric with the plastic on the top like this. After this, you can just tie it from the left to the right, or I would like to make it like this to make it smaller, and tie it with the raffia. If you don't have like raffia, you can cover again with some fabric, and you need to make it strong tie so the plant tannins will stain well on the fabric. And then we cut this and tie it together with rubber band. And yeah, I think that's finished. Okay, we're finished. We have two in here, and now I would like to steam the fabric and wait for about 90 minutes. Okay, just let's go. Here we like to steam. Kalau ngukus tuh berarti steam ya? Yeah. Must steam, so we like to prepare the water. Make sure this one is enough for like 90 minutes. Put this one in here and cover. Now we are going to open. Oh. So this one the result for the first, and then I have another one. I would like to open this one also, and I would like to try this one in shade. Okay, let's go. So you can see this one, this what it called, this leaf is more strong the color than this one, because this one the bottom of the leaves is stick to the fabric like this. And then this one is the top of the leaves. Now this one, the bottom of the leaves. You see, this one is a mirror fabric dyeing with bundles, Ecoprint techniques. So I would like to open this one, another one. Okay, let's see. Is that nice? So that's all the video about how to Mordan and scouring the fabric. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.